Want to download music on your Android phone so you can listen to it anytime, even without an internet connection? I'll show you one of the easiest ways using free music websites in just a few simple steps. First, open your preferred web browser. In this example, I'll be using Google Chrome. Now visit a website that offers free downloadable music, such as Pixabay Music or NCS. You'll find links to these websites in the description below. Once the website opens, browse through the available categories or choose a genre or mood that matches the type of music you're looking for. When you find a track you like, tap the play button to preview it. If you decide to download it, tap the download button. If another download confirmation appears, simply tap download again. Wait a few seconds while the music file downloads to your phone. Once the download is complete, open your Files app. Then tap the audio folder, or Downloads if your device saves files there. You should now see the music file you just downloaded. Simply tap the file to start playing it. If your music downloaded successfully, subscribe to the channel for more quick Android tutorials and easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.